Søren og Katrin, har brug for jeres hjælp.
De flytter til Danmark det 1. august.
De vil gerne bo i København.
I en lejlighed.
Med minimum 2 værelser.
Til maksimum 10.000 kroner.
De vil gerne bo tæt på Indre By.
Vær syg at hjælpe vores venner.
På forhånd tak.
Okay, try and say it.
Thank you.
De flytter.
De vil gerne bo i København. Tæt på Indre By.
Yeah, try and say it again.
In the food.
Okay.
So the last word is by. By.
By.
Yeah, really short. By.
By, there's no T.
Okay.
By.
By.
Yeah.
By. Okay. Tæt på Indre By.
No.
Okay.
By.
By.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you get my good side.
Try.
Picture, video.
Can you remember your line?
Now smiling.
Even have them go, even
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
I can practice in them.
Hey,
Okay.
So you don't get the...
Framing.
You look Russian when you're doing this.
It's such a Russian accent.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Your hands on the bus.
Sorry.
Tak.
Yeah, now with a smile. På forhånd, tak.
He was smiling.
Ready when you are.